Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to duet something on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. Let's find a video first. I'm in Discover now. Let's find a video. Okay, let's select this video. To duet this video, on the right side we have different buttons. You have to tap on share button and you will see this pop-up. Now on the bottom row you will see duet button. Tap there. It will download the video and you are ready to make duet. If you tap on this layout button, you have option to select different kind of layouts and you can switch the videos also. Once you are okay with this one, go back, start recording and you are done. Let's try it. Okay, let's start. This is your video. Once you are okay with your video, you can hit next button and you are ready to share it to your story. So that's it guys. Likewise you can make duet something on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.